can't bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane.
It is a Monday and welcome to my vlog. Hello bazalwane, and if you're new here, welcome. And if it's your first time, welcome. Please do join the family. And because I'm a bit wishy-washy, it's been a minute. It's the 30th of October. The year is almost over. And welcome to the new vlog. We're gonna be together for a bit. This week is my reading week, so I'm not at school, but I'm awake and I'm ready to go. I'm in my gym kit already. This is what I'm wearing today to the gym to go push some, what is it? To push some weights. What's the line? To go pump some. Anyway, we're going to the gym eventually. But for now, I've decided to switch up my timetable and actually start with working on an assignment. I have an assignment due. I have a test. So I'm going to start with working on the assignment. I'm going to eat, then work on the test, then go to the gym. Then come back and give myself a little nap. It's reading week and it's starting to feel like I don't want to go to school any day, which is a bit scary. But yeah, we're gonna continue, but we'll catch up. Let me just do my best.
Daydream with me, let your mind explore. Reaching out for more. Sure that I'm not sure, knowing I don't know it. So I listen for my inner voice. Carry the winds, drown out the rain.
Bath. What time is it? It is 2 o'clock. The girl has bath. This is my first day after reading week. We haven't done so bad, but we could do better because I'm trying to at least put in 8 hours of study in. How many hours have I done? 2. So I've come back from the gym, and from the last thing you can see, I went into the shop, but the only thing I got for myself, into my high street, the only thing I got myself is this nail polish. I'm going to try a different color for my toes because my toes are usually this color. Right now they're not any color, honestly. I haven't painted my toenails in like a week. Guys, let's not judge the outfit. The outfit is outfitting, okay? But like, I'm going to try this. It's a fun color. And let me show you my the nails I'm going to put. But I'm going to put them, I most probably put them when I go back to school. And these were £2, and like they really stick because now I've learned how to do my nails, so they really stick. And yeah, aren't they cute? Aren't they? They're really nice, like, and they're not too long. I don't want long nails, so I'm just letting my nails breathe for this week. We're gonna paint our toenails, paint our nails. Everything is gonna be painted. I had gone into the shops today because I had to get a few stuff for a gift I have to send soon. So I was making sure I didn't have a box to put the things in. Am I the only one that pressurizes himself and they want it to look so cute? But this thing needs to go through post office, so it needs to be protected. But here I am thinking I could make it look cuter inside. But yeah, that's all I did. I went to the gym. Oh no, I lie. I also got myself noodles. I want to have noodles now with chicken and continue studying. I think I'm going to study. I'm struggling with one assignment. This one particular assignment is driving me nuts because I don't want to do it and it doesn't want to be done. So we're not in the best space. But yeah, I'll probably study for another 2 hours, take a nap, and then wake up and make mash. I'm making mash for dinner. The rest has been made from last night. So I'll make mash for dinner around 6. And then we continue. And I have to face that assignment at some stage. It might not be today, but I will have to face it. Because by the end of this week, we need to say we finished. We finished! We're finished! 2 hours later, it's 18 past 4. I'm sleepy, but I don't want to sleep. So such a weird thing happening. And I had this sudden urge to bake. So I'm gonna make cinnamon cupcakes that I just saw a recipe. Sorry, I also now think I've weighed myself. A recipe, so I'm gonna make that while I make mash for supper and just call it quits in the kitchen. I'm done being a homemaker. Seriously, yeah, I'm gonna make Archie's cinnamon cupcakes. So I feel like eating a lot, but I shouldn't. But it's also cold and it's needing something nice and warm, you know? Yeah.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on time.
Good morning. Good morning. This morning let's see the time. It's 10 o'clock. I'm using my hand. I'm holding my phone in my hand today. But I just thought, let me pick up the phone for now. It's 10 o'clock. I've been sitting here from like probably 9:15. So I'm currently reading, but my eye has been killing me. And these are blue light glasses that I got, but I probably need to get another pair. I'll look for another pair because they broke. Can you see? They broke. The end of it broke. And it's so weird. I was just trying to put them on in the library and I kept doing this and then the end broke. I have another pair, but I like these. Like those ones, I feel like they're very old. The other ones are my first pair that I had because during placement, I used to have such terrible headaches, but I used to like look at the computer for like 12 hours. Where I worked for my placement, it was a 12-hour shift. So it was not good for my eyes. But yeah, today it's just day. But the cupcakes, did you see the cupcakes? The icing I have to redo if I wanted, but people don't really, My family doesn't really like icing, so most of the cupcakes, as long as they like that, they're good. They taste absolutely delicious. Like, I promise you, if you were to try the cinnamon recipe, I think I'm gonna promise and put it in the description. It's my first time making cinnamon cupcakes, but it will definitely not be my last because they are delicious. So now I'm gonna continue studying for a bit longer. I am waiting for a delivery, and afterwards I should go to the post office and then go to the gym and then come back and watch a movie, because why not, before I cook. So I'm planning on making, I'm still confused because now I'm thinking we can have like roasted beef and butternut and like yellow rice, but I don't know, we'll see when I come back. But yeah, I think I'll try and cook with you today. But yeah, I woke up and it's just, I've been busy. I've just, and my eyes, it really is painful. But yeah, catch you later.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till
I tell you, oh, the box is so heavy. If I tell you that it was all meat, would you believe me? So, in this, we get our meat delivered. So this is what I've been waiting for, and I've never seen this box before because I've never been home to. It's my first time I was home, and it is heavy. Oh my days.
I no get time, da cover my face, calling me da. Big man with you, da. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it gonna be? G-Wagon, all depending. They get them. Ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, or they try to do, I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die.
Links that tall. Nareba naba mojava seliskicha sabokabza refasite banaspanda 2 rounds TKO gaskanda ole betika pamanda opalite yamananda.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I have a lot of bias.
Fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
Good morning, bazalwane. Today is Thursday and we're almost done with reading week, and today, honestly, I'm fully loot. I don't want anything. I'm worried about a lot of stuff happening. I'm trying not to worry, and I'm tired. And if you can tell, my eye is like red. Eyes have been giving me a problem lately, so I don't know. I wanted to try and read this morning. The weather's just telling me, babe, go back to bed. But we've got goals to reach, so I don't know what I'm actually going to do. Right now I'm going to have breakfast, and actually we've reached the end of the vlog. We're going to start a new one, I think, tomorrow. Hopefully I'll feel better, because tomorrow I have to go to school for a discussion. I went to the gym twice this week. The goal was 3 times. And today, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go to the gym. It's already 9:30. And the previous days by 9:30, I'm sitting on the table and I'm working. Today it's just go bed. Can you see? My eyes. Yeah, anyway. Thank you so much for spending the last couple of days. I hope you did enjoy. Yeah. Yeah, we'll be back on the next one, hopefully with a bit more energy. But yeah, I just have to face them emotions. Gotta face all the emotions. I don't want to, I just want to sleep. So I'm gonna probably try and oh yes, yesterday I think I managed to finish one of my assignments. Well, I'm not done, but I'm like 80% done. The other one is also 80%, so I'm left with like 20 for both, which could be serious work of 2 to 3 hours. But I don't know if I have that today, so I'll try and finish one unit I was reading for my exam study, and then yeah, move on. Maybe let's take today as a break. I think since I started reading week, I didn't have like no break, and I'm going to study on Sunday. Yeah, let's make Sunday study day also. So I'll just go through questions today and try and relax, because anyway, thank you so much. See you on the next one.